Happy morning, friends. Friends, after completion of the illustration 3, and I would like to give you one exercise 3.1 is homework for you. So now it's time to discuss the utility of the study of regression. दोस्तों इसका फायदा क्या होता है, कहाँ पे हम लोग यूज कर सकते हैं, that is called utility. We have 4 utility and the first one I would like to share with you, that is we can determine the functional relation between two correlated variables. दोस्तों हमारे पास जो x and y है उसको आप रिलेशंस में प्रेजेंट कर सकते हो, ये कर सकते हैं यहाँ से. सेकेंड थिंग, once the functional relation is established, it can be used to predict the unknown value of dependent variable y on the basis of known value of independent variable x. बेटा एक बार इक्वेशन बनने के बाद आप उस इक्वेशन का यूज कर सकते हो y की कोई भी वैल्यू प्रेडिक्ट करने के लिए. x की वैल्यू इंडिपेंडेंट है और y की वैल्यू x पे डिपेंडेंट है, इसलिए x आपका इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल हो गया और y आपका डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल हो गया. रिमेंबर सम टाइम इन द एनुअल एग्जाम दे आर आस्किंग 1 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन इन एमसीक्यू कि y is which kind of variable in the line of regression. It is called dependent variable, x itself is called independent variable. Now third one, we can determine the approximate change in the value of dependent variable y for a unit change in the value of independent variable x. दोस्तों हम लोग हर बार b फाइंड करते हैं, b, और मैंने हर बार आपको बोला है कि b का मतलब क्या है, इट इज कॉल्ड रिग्रेशन कोएफिशिएंट. बट वो क्या शो करता है, x की वैल्यू में सिंगल यूनिट का चेंज करने से y की वैल्यू में कितने यूनिट का अप एंड डाउन पॉसिबल है वो अमाउंट शो करता है. बराबर. नाउ द फोर्थ वन, we can determine the error in estimation of dependent variable obtained by regression line. मतलब आप लोग एरर भी कर सकते हो, हमने सम्स भी देख लिए हैं. नाउ वी आर मूविंग टू सॉल्व द इलस्ट्रेशन नंबर 4. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, एक हमने मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी शेयर की थी आपके साथ में, जो कोरिलेशन में भी थी और यहाँ पे भी है, लेकिन दोनों का डिफरेंस अलग है. In the correlation, our variables, that means our answer are independent about change of origin and scale. मतलब आप correlation में प्लस करो, माइनस करो, मल्टीप्लाई करो या डिवाइड करो, आंसर चेंज नहीं होता था. But in the regression, our regression coefficient is independent about change of origin, but not of scale. मतलब प्लस माइनस कर सकते हो लेकिन मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. बट चलो हमको करना है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, कर लेते हैं. तो देखते हैं उसकी इंपैक्ट कैसे रिमूव करते हैं. ओके, सो नाउ द इलस्ट्रेशन नंबर 4 आई वुड लाइक टू डिस्कस विद यू. इन ऑर्डर टू डिटरमाइन द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन मंथली इनकम इन 1000 and monthly expenditure in 1000 of people of a group, a sample of 7 persons is taken from that group and the following information is obtained. दोस्तों आपके पास फर्स्ट कॉलम है पर्सन, सेकंड है मंथली इनकम इन 1000, मंथली एक्सपेंडिचर इन 1000. Obtain the regression line of monthly expenditure on monthly income. दोस्तों अगर हम इनकम को x एज्यूम करते हैं और एक्सपेंडिचर को y, यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है, आपको रिग्रेशन लाइन फाइंड करना है मंथली एक्सपेंडिचर ऑन मंथली इनकम, मतलब y ऑन x हो गया. मतलब इफ अ पर्सन ऑफ अ ग्रुप हैज मंथली इनकम ऑफ 75,000, estimate his monthly expenditure. So friends, I would like to copy the two columns x and y. Okay my friends, as per our discussion that in this chapter always we need to obtain mean value first. So we have two columns x and y. So first of all we have to find out our mean, that is x bar is equal to sum of x upon n. So total of x we have 461 divided by 7 and it gives us 65.86. it is our x bar. Now y bar is equal to sum of y upon n and sum of y is available. We have 387 divided by 7 and it gives us the idea 55.29. My dear friend, both the means are in decimals. That means what, we are not going to continue with x minus x bar method. Instead of that we have big numbers. And all we have done very much practice in the chapter correlation. Whenever big numbers are there, we are able to convert into a small numbers. That means what, we are going to convert the change of origin. So convert your x into u. So u is equals to x minus. My dear friends, many numbers are there. You are free to assume anything, but I always suggest go with always complete number. Complete number means what? Like that 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and always you have to assume the assume mean like such numbers which makes your calculations easy and fast. So suppose I would like to take 60 as my assume mean. So 60 minus 60 is 0. Now 10, 4, 8, 2, 5 and 12. This is a magic of 60. I am not too much fast in getting subtraction process. Okay. So now get total of this. Then V is equals to, my dear friends, so y minus. So I would like to take 50. So 0, 9, 7, 0, 3, 8, 10. Then u into v and last u square. So 0, 90, 28, 0, 6, 40 and 120. Now u square, it is 0, 100, 16, 64, 4, 25 and 144. Now we are going to take the total of these columns. My dear friends, after getting total of all the columns, we have to find out our regression coefficient. So, regression coefficient of y on x. So it is byx. But my dear friends, here we have converted our x into u. So it is bvu. Y becomes v, x becomes u. So bvu is equals to b. And reason behind that, the only reason behind that, our regression coefficient is independent about change of origin. We have done only one kind of changes. We have changed only the origin. So the formula we have n sum of uv minus sum of u into sum of u divided by n sum of u square minus sum of u the whole square. Keep the original formula of correlation coefficient in your mind, that numerator remains same. X we have converted into u. So in the denominator we have information of only u. There is no sign of square root. So now we are showing the values. So n we have 7. Sum of uv 284 minus sum of u is 41 into 37 divided by n is 7. Sum of u square is 353 minus 41 the whole square. My dear friends, after having a total, we are showing here the values. 7 into 284 gives us 1988 minus 41 into 37 gives us 1517. Then 7 into 353 gives 2471 minus the square of 41, it is 1681. Now the difference of the numerator is 471. Difference of the denominator we have 790. At the end we got it our answer b is equals to 0.60. B itself is a regression coefficient, but it shows as rate of ups and downs. So now we are going to find out a. So a is equals to y bar minus bx bar. So y bar we have 55.29 minus b we have 0.60 into x bar we have 65.86. So is equal to 55.29 minus, okay my dear friends, 55.29 minus 39.52. The answer is 55.77. So our a is equal to 15.77. Now the regression line of y on x, it is called y cap, is equal to a plus bx. So a we have 15.77 plus b 0.60x. So this is our answer. But remember, always you have to read out your question after getting the equation. And they are asking, we have to estimate y by taking the amount of x 75. So right now estimated value, estimated value of y when x is equal to 75. So y gap is equal to 15.77 plus 0.6 into 75. So 15.77 plus the product is 0.60 into 75, it gives 45, and the answer is 60.77, which is available in 1000. So we have to mention it is in 1000. So this is your, if your income is 75,000, your estimated expense is 60,000, 60.77 thousand rupees.